Meanwhile, one political analyst does not believe the inheritance of a citizenship should bar any Jamaican from becoming the head of government.
But others disagree. Here's Andrea Chisholm with more.
Opposition leader Mark Golding has indicated that his British citizenship is by descent, meaning he gained UK citizenship because his father was from England, but he was born and raised in Jamaica. Political commentator Damian Gordon weighed in.
If an individual who is born in Jamaica and has lived in Jamaica their entire life is disqualified from, being a prime minister simply because they have inherited citizenship from to a foreign country from their parents. Wouldn't you consider that to be a little bit discriminatory? Considering the fact that the person is in fact a Jamaican citizen born and raised. That kind of purview is not progressive, and it limits our pool of available talent as well.
For Mr. Gordon, context matters. In the dual citizenship saga of previous years, which led to a series of by-elections, the MPs swore allegiance to foreign countries such as the United States, which is outside of the Commonwealth.
We have to draw a distinction between persons who are holders of a dual citizenship on the basis of a technicality against those who actively live and work and travel in other countries. And if you have dedicated your adult life to the service of the nation, and you have investments and you have made stellar contribution to the country in which you live, and you have been raised and in which you have spent your entire life, I don't think that should preclude you from serving in the capacity as an elected official.
Political commentator Jermaine Barrett disagrees.
You are wanting to serve in the Jamaican Parliament. It's a significantly important undertaking, and it must reflect a major investment on your part in terms of reaping the benefits of the decisions that you make in terms of legislation and so forth.
The leader of the opposition has done nothing illegal. The Constitution speaks of Commonwealth citizens. So be it. My position is that members of parliament should not have dual citizenship. They should be 100% committed to Jamaica.
Paul Ashley therefore believes Jamaica's constitution should be changed to reflect that. Speaking of constitutional reform,
there will be no movement towards or away from the Privy Council before the election. There will be no movement towards or away from our current constitutional status vis-a-vis the British monarchy. Time does not permit. It is not an election matter, and I don't believe that the JLP is serious about the CCJ. Indeed, the Holness administration has been founded on opposition to the CCJ. I don't see them agreeing to such in any phase 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5.
As for the Jamaican people, he said they are more concerned about their immediate needs, including better roads, water, food prices, and a reduction in crime. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
And